Okay, guys, this isn't going to be the most glorious video I've ever made, but it will be something. I wanted to show you really quickly how to do average rate of change. And I took a problem from your book. This is on page 38 in your workbook. And it says, find the average rate of change from x equals 1 to x equals 3. And it gives you this function g of x. And the best way I can explain this, it's very easy. You just have to do a few steps. So average rate of change is another way of saying slope. That's what it means. We're literally going to connect two dots on some curve and find the slope of the line that connects those two dots. So the tricky part, or the thing, it's not tricky, but they're trying to trick you, is that if you remember the formula for slope, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. To find the slope, you have to have 2 points in space. The x and y for this point and the x and y for this point. Okay? So on these problems, what they're giving you are 2 x values. So if you've got this point here and this point here, they're giving you, you need x and y up here, they're only giving you x. And you need x and y down here, and they're only giving you x. So the first thing you have to do is find this guy's y value and this guy's y value. Super easy. What you're going to do every single time is, let's take the first x value, x equals 1, and we're going to put it into the function. So we got to find g of 1. Okay, that's step 1. Pick one of the x's, doesn't matter. Plug it into the function, the given function, do the math. 2 times 1 over 1 plus 1 squared. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. So what this means is the point over 1, that's the x they gave me, up 1/2 is on the graph. Cool. Now I'm going to do the same thing, plug and chug, but I'm going to use the other x value, x of 3. So we come back over here. We're finding g of 3. We're plugging a 3 into all the x buckets. So 2 times 3 over 3 plus 1 squared. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 squared is 16. And 6 over 16 reduces down to 3 over 8. Cool. So that means the other point, when x is 3, my y, or my output, is 3 over 8. Now I have 2 separate points in space, and I can use those to find the average rate of change. So I'm going to take, here's an x, here's a y, here's the other x, here's the other y. I'm going to use my formula for slope. So let's do 3/8 minus 1/2 over 3 minus 1. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, when you're subtracting fractions, you either need to get a calculator or a common denominator. So between 3/8 and 1/2, the common denominator is 8. So 3 over 8 stayed the same. 1/2 converted to a bottom of 8 is 4/8. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this fraction, 3 minus 4, becomes negative 1/8 over 2. And negative 1/8 divided by 2, again, you can use your calculator if you want, or you can do negative 1/8 times 1/2, because divided by 2 means multiply by 1/2. So the average rate of change of this thing overall is -1/16. Step 1, think of it as 3 steps. 3 steps. Step 1, pick one of your x's, plug it into the given function, find the associated y. That's 1 point. Step 2, pick the other x, plug it into the given function, find the associated y. That's your other point. Now that you have 2 points, you use the formula for slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and whatever that math gives you is the average rate of change. Good luck. Text me if you have questions.